G'day everybody. Hey, I bring you good news. First of all, caveat, if you hear some screaming in the background, don't worry. I've not locked them up. They're my children. They are behind me. They are in the living room, and I am in my home office because I am up early and I didn't want to go into the office first thing. So if you hear some screaming, don't call the cops. It is normal. Look, we've got some really good momentum right now. I've been wanting this for quite a long time. I've been waiting for this. I've been whispering in the market's ear to get this sort of momentum, and we finally got it, guys. We're up 4.7% currently, and we've still got 2 hours till the close. Now, of course, I let you guys know earlier in the week that I was long EOS, I was long Binance, I was long Bitcoin. I am now out of Binance. I am long Bitcoin. I am still long EOS. Now, EOS has just tapped above that 650 level, which we'll have a look at in just a second. But Bitcoin really the star performer right here. There was a little cradle trade back here yesterday afternoon. I did not take that. Just so you know, I did not take that. Now, the reason I did not take that is not because it didn't set up, and because it was, it was valid. It was a good trade. It's because I was already long EOS. I was already long Bitcoin, and what else have I got? I was watching something else. Oh, sorry, that's right. I was pretty keen on Litecoin for a trade as well. So basically what I'm getting at is that I had enough exposure to Bitcoin. I had enough exposure long against the dollar, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to leave it. I don't want more risk yet. I want to see that. I hadn't seen this as being a shift in momentum. I was still talking about it back here. It only just broke these highs. Now we've got that shift of momentum. We've had, from that level, from that 8,200, we're up $423. That's what I want to see before I start to get really active. And guess what? I am going to be really active. I've got a day-to-day going to the markets with the kids and whatnot, and the missus is going to do something. I've got the afternoon free. Now, I've got to toss a coin. I'm going to have a quick look at the market this afternoon and see whether or not I'm going to trade or go fishing. Likely possibility or probability is that fishing will win. It's very likely. But if there's something really good setting up, then I might just stick around. So right now I'm looking at boosters. I'm going to these lower time frames. I'm getting down to the nitty gritty. I know how to trade these markets when they start to get momentum. I know how to trade these lower time frames. I hope you do too. Now this one might not fit in because it's a little bit close, but let's have a quick look. Nothing there, but let's step away to the next higher low. We're starting to see what I'm looking for here. Might actually go to the 1 hour here. You can see these levels starting to come in. Let's just drag that down to there. Now we've got something to work with. Okay, cool. Look, from this level to this level, let's just drag this back as well. Maybe a 38. Okay, cool. That's what I really like. There's a triple in here at this 84.70 region. Cradle trades potentially available today as well. The market, of course, needs to pull back a little bit more. Let me get rid of those levels. Guys, the market is kicking ass right now. Don't be surprised if we see a move that blows your hair back over this weekend. Why? Because a lot of people have been sitting in dollar. A lot of people have been sitting in tether. A lot of people are still suggesting more of a pullback. Now, I know I was back here. I reversed my opinion once we saw this, and as soon as we broke that, and now I've reversed from short, like I wasn't short, but from a position of thinking we're likely to fall lower to we're looking strong, and here I am long, looking really happy. A good 5% move, looking on the cards for the close today. What's the rest of the market look like? And is there any trades I'm stalking? Ethereum's pulled back in. I was stalking that yesterday. Now, I had this thing to do called sleep. I did not watch it all through the night, and I'm feeling good for it today. I did not get a trade here on Ethereum, and it's just really for me at the moment. I want to see it push to new highs. Then I'd be considering options there. Now, of course, the EOS trade that I talked about in the video earlier in the week, I'm still long. My stop's still here. I'm still hanging in there. Just above entry right now. Needs to sort of kick on. It needs to do something more than it's doing. But if Bitcoin pumps, we will probably see EOS catch up a wee bit. Now, on Stellar Lumens, I'm not really interested here at all. XRP, not interested there at all. Why? Just not good enough trends. Litecoin, you betcha. Check this bad boy out. I was really watching this last night before I went to bed. 8 hour. Oh, don't want it to get too much bigger. We've got a couple of hours to go. Sorry for speaking so fast. I'm pretty excited. I'm just happy to see this market playing out. Being really, really in the zone at the moment. What I'm seeing is actually happening, and what I'm thinking is going ahead. Sure, the pullback from from the pullback to 6,600 didn't happen, but I was able to adjust very, very quickly. Actually, take a trade. I wasn't short. Now I'm long, and I published the whole thing with everybody in the community and whatnot. So it was I was able to get the information across to my peeps and do the right thing. So I'm feeling right in the zone. This is a great looking chart. I'll be keeping an eye on that for later as well. Bitcoin Cash, not so much. Want to see it push on better. Binance, well, it's had a very deep pullback indeed. Really struggled around these old highs here. Now, I got stopped out of that trade against Bitcoin. So, yeah, the one against Bitcoin that I took earlier in the week. About break even, just shy of break even. So it started off good. I had the opportunity to take some decent profits on that, but I was vouching for a bigger move. Didn't get it. So hopefully Bitcoin kicks ass now and I get it there. Anyway, so on to Cardano. I've just got to break the highs before I am really interested. Guys, don't forget, we have these live classroom events coming up. Sydney's got maximum registration. We're over 50 there now. Brisbane has got a huge demand as well. Melbourne is also really, really busy. And interestingly, Adelaide, Perth and Tasmania, the ones I thought might be sketchy, have also shown just as much interest. If you want your spot, whether you're a member, you've got the discount link if you are already a member, or if you're not and you want to come along and do the courses, don't forget, as soon as you pay, you get access to the bronze course anyway. Come along, do it, get it done, ask me the questions. But to get your spot, we're doing 50 per room, guys. The registration process, you need to pay. Then you lock in your spot. Anyway, have a fantastic day. This market is kicking butt. Look at this. We are pumping hard. Look at how quickly this is moving. Ooh, yeah. All right. I'm going to leave you to it. I'll stop waffling on. Have a great weekend. Bye.